this is Miss Sarah from the Gwinnett County Public Library bringing you a special episode of Backyard Biology because today I'm coming to you from the Lawrenceville Community Garden and we are going to be talking all about seeds. Not every plant begins with a seed, but for lots of the flowers and fruits and vegetables that we find growing in our yards and gardens, a seed was the beginning of that plant. Today we're going to examine seeds a little more closely and find out how they work. We'll also explore our uses for seeds beyond just growing new plants. There are three main parts to a seed. First, the embryo or baby plant, which will grow into a new plant. Second, the seed has food for this baby plant to sustain it until it's ready to grow. And lastly, a seed coat, which protects everything inside. At the start of their life, seeds are what we call dormant. That means they are resting and waiting for conditions to be just right before they can start to grow. All seeds need water, air, and warmth or the right temperature to grow. When the right conditions are introduced to a seed, the seed begins to germinate or grow. Water that is absorbed by the inside of a seed causes it to swell and split the seed coat. The seed now becomes a seedling with a root and a shoot. The root goes down to get nutrients and the shoot goes up to get sunlight. When the shoot emerges above the soil's surface, we call that seedling establishment. While most seeds are brown, seeds come in a wide variety of colors. They also come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. Some flower seeds can be as tiny as dust, while coconuts can be as large as a child's head. Plants also have different ways of protecting their seeds. Some are found inside of fruits, and some are in prickly cones. Because plants can't move around on their own to disperse their seeds, they rely on other things to help them spread their seeds far and wide. Some plants, like dandelions, rely on the wind to spread their seeds. The dandelion seed has tiny little hair-like fibers on it, designed to catch the wind so that they can blow far and wide across our lawns. Maple trees are another example of plants that use wind to help disperse their seeds. These seeds spin around in the wind like helicopter blades, helping the seeds travel far. Other plants use water to spread their seeds. The seeds are waterproof and fall into creeks and rivers where they are washed downstream to take root on other shores. Some plants produce sticky seeds with little hooks on the ends of barbs. These are designed to be transmitted by animals. They stick easily to the fur of animals, and also sometimes to the clothing of people, and then fall off in a different location to grow. Animals can also disperse seeds by eating them. Some seeds pass through an animal's digestive tract where they can sprout later. Other times, animals like these squirrels will hide seeds in acorns that they then forget, and the seed is allowed to grow into a plant. Some plants don't want their seeds to be eaten, so they can protect them by prickly exteriors. Or in the case of this pepper, where the seeds are too delicate to pass through an animal's digestive system, the pepper fruit protects the seed with its spiciness. Mammals looking to eat these type of plants will get a peppery surprise and leave the seeds alone. Some of us are lucky enough to have gardens growing in our very own backyards where we can see seeds at work. But even if you don't have a garden, you can probably find seeds in your house. You can start by looking in your pantry. If you have a can of beans in your pantry, you have some seeds. Black beans and green beans are seeds that we enjoy eating. You can also find seeds in your refrigerator. Just look for your fruits and vegetables. Some seeds you can find by cutting open the fruit. Or you could eat the fruit and find if there's any seeds inside. Ta-da! We found a plum pit. This is the plum tree's seed. You can also look in your spice cabinets to find seeds. Some seeds are great for adding flavor to our different foods, like fennel seed, which has a strong licorice smell, or celery seed. This seed is really tiny and smells exactly like celery. Most of us probably recognize this seed, sesame seeds. Have you seen this type of seed before? Probably on a hamburger bun. With a grown-up's permission, you can explore the seeds that you may have in your kitchen. Or better yet, visit a garden like the community garden in Lawrenceville and see the wonderful things that come from seeds.
This has been another episode of Backyard Biology brought to you by the Gwinnett County Public Library. Thanks for watching.